Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to fix the NAT type field on PS5, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is restart your router and console. So you can turn off your router and unplug it from the power source, then power off your PS5 console as well. Wait a few minutes before plugging your router back and turning it on, and also once the router has connected, turn on your PS5. So then you have to do is set up network connection manually. So you can manually set up internet connection on your PS5 to ensure you have the right NAT type. Just do the following. So to manually set up the network connection on your PS5, following this step, the first step is open network settings. So when you have just opened this network settings, it will look like this. Now from the PS5 home screen, go to the settings, the gear icon in the top right corner. Then select the network from the list. From here you can find this network from here. Here it is. Now set up the internet connection. In the network menu, select set up internet connection. So when you have simply go to the setup internet connection, then choose either use Wi-Fi or use a LAN cable for wired connection depending on your setup. Then when you will be prompted to enter several details manually, the key settings included here like the IP address settings, go manual mode and enter your IP address, subnet mask, default gateway and DNS server. Not sure where to find this? Check the network settings on another device connected to the same network or ask your internet service provider. Now the DHCP host name, unless your network setup demands it, just go to the do not specify simple there and a simple done, move on. So DNS settings, so select manual and enter your go to DNS server address. For example, the Google DNS is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. This is the alternative DNS server. So for your ISP's DNS, if you prefer keeping things local. Now MTU settings, select automatic on this. You need a specific MTU settings. Proxy server, select do not use unless your network setup requires a proxy server. Then test the connection. After entering all the necessary information, save your settings. Then your PS5 will then test the connection to confirm everything is working correctly. So change the NAT type, so you can change it to prevent this issue. So for changing NAT type on PS5, you will need to set up static IP address for the console. Follow this step. So open the PS5 settings menu. When you are on the settings menu, you can navigate to the network. Then you can find NAT type. Then you have to simply select connection and then choose view connection status and take note of the displayed information by either writing it down or taking a photo. Then go back to network menu. Then when you are on network menu, select the setup internet connection and set up manually. Just like set up manually, here it is. So enter the details you recorded earlier, then click done. Then if prompted for MTU or proxy server settings, select automatic for MTU and do not use for the proxy server. Then this will help you to change the NAT type, and this can help you to fix this issue. That's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.